Do you have files stuck on one computer but need them on another? Whether you're trying to share work documents, photos or videos, transferring files between PCs has never been simpler. Stick around, because in this video I'll walk you through 5 incredibly easy and effective ways to share files between computers. And trust me, by the time we're done, you'll be a pro at this. First up, method number 5. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 5. Cloud storage services. Cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive are some of the easiest and most convenient ways to share files between PCs. Here's how it works. Simply upload the file to the cloud using one PC, then log into the same account on the other PC to download it. It's an effortless process that also keeps your files accessible from anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Some services like Google Drive also allow you to share direct download links with others, making collaboration a breeze. The best part? You don't have to deal with external devices like flash drives or worry about misplacing them. Just keep in mind that uploading large files can take a while if your internet connection is slow, so it's worth checking your network speed before you start. Overall, the cloud reigns supreme for convenience, accessibility, and ease of use. Number 4. File sharing over email. Okay, confession time. Have you ever sent an email to yourself just to get a file onto another computer? Guess what? You're not alone. We've all done it. Email remains one of the simplest and most straightforward ways to share files, especially smaller ones under 25 megabytes. Just attach the file to an email, send it to yourself or someone else, and download it on the intended PC. It's quick, efficient, and great for personal use or small, everyday transfers. That said, if you're dealing with larger files, most email providers will have size limits, so you might need to look into tools like WeTransfer or compress the file into a smaller size. But for those times when you need a fast and fuss-free solution, email remains a classic go-to method that works every time.
If you are interested to see more tricks and tips, check this video in the corner.
Number 3. External storage devices. Remember the good old days of USB drives or external hard drives? Well, they're still around for a reason. These devices are incredibly reliable for transferring files between PCs, whether it's a single document or entire folders. Here's how it works. Just plug your USB drive or external hard drive into PC number 1, copy the files you need, and then plug it into PC number 2 to paste them there. Modern USB drives come with massive storage capacities, some even capable of holding terabytes of data, and they've got faster transfer speeds than ever before. Plus, since they work offline, you don't have to rely on an internet connection, perfect for handling large files or when you're in areas with poor connectivity. Pro tip: always safely eject your USB or external drive before unplugging it to avoid corrupting your files. It's a tried and true method that still holds up in today's tech-savvy world. Number 2. Local network sharing. Now, if you've got 2 computers connected to the same Wi-Fi or local network, this next method is a real game changer. It's called local network sharing. Both Windows and Mac PCs let you set up shared folders that can be accessed by other devices on the same network. Once you enable this feature, you can seamlessly transfer files back and forth without needing cables or USB drives. It's like creating your own mini file sharing hub. While setting it up might involve tinkering with some permissions and security settings, the process is relatively straightforward and well worth the effort, especially for office setups. This method is particularly handy for sharing larger files quickly across multiple PCs in a home or work environment. Plus, it's a great solution if you want to keep everything organized and accessible within a shared space. Number 1. File sharing applications. Here it is, the champion of file sharing methods, dedicated file sharing applications. Apps like ShareIt, FileZilla, and Send Anywhere are specifically designed to make file transfers between PCs as fast and seamless as possible. What makes these apps so great is their versatility. Many of them support wireless transfers, which means no need for cables or external devices. Just install the app, pair your PCs, and you're ready to go. Whether you're sharing a single photo, a video, or an entire folder, these tools offer quick and reliable performance. Some apps even have mobile versions, so you can easily share files between your phone and PC. And the best part, many of these apps are free or have affordable options, making them accessible for everyone. If you're looking for a futuristic, hassle-free way to transfer files, these apps are your best bet. So guys, there you have it. 5 super easy, efficient ways to share files between PCs. Whether you go for the trusty USB drive, the speed of file-sharing apps, or the convenience of cloud storage, there's a method for everyone. Which one are you excited to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss more handy tech tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.